And what did your husband Philip say to you afterwards?
Oh, well, he was obviously feeling for me, as anybody would in that circumstance. I think he'd been a bit worried about the individual approaching me, as I say, probably more so than I had been in my position up there on the podium. And as everybody now knows, he gave me a really big hug because he just wanted to say, well done for getting through it.
Did you feel you needed it?
Well, I think I probably needed a stiff drink afterwards.